Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. In today's video, you are going to see what are variables and data types in Python programming. This is the third video in the course of Python beginner to advanced, so do check out the playlist in the YouTube. I have given the link of the playlist in the description. And if you are not downloaded Python yet and Visual Studio Code, do check out the second video of the course. I have given the link in the description. And before going to the video, do make sure you join the Telegram group. There you can get session notes and you can get source codes and quizzes, okay, and coding facts also. So let's get started. Before uh, coding, let us just create a new file, new folder. It would be good. Okay, new folder I'm creating is as session 3. Okay, and open your Visual Studio Code and open a new window. Okay, so there will be no confusion. Okay, now click on open folder. I have created this folder. Just selecting it, and now, yeah, okay, the folder has been opened in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So what are data types? There are different types of data like integers, float, strings. Okay, we are going to deal with them in today's session. So first create a new file, main.py. Okay, let me close everything. Okay, now here, for just testing the compiler, I'm performing a simple print function, hello world, or simply hello, and I'm just running it, run python file. It's working, so let's move ahead. So now first we are going to assign a way. First we are going to learn what are variables. Okay, you might have learned in your school in the topics of algebra. It is very similar to that. So what are variables? Variables are varying entity. It can change, its value can change, we can edit it. Okay, and let us see what are variables. One of the most powerful feature of programming language is ability to manipulate variable. A variable is a name that refers to a value. Okay, let us see how to uh, declare an variable. Okay, declare a variable. So if you have watched my C programming playlist, you will um, declare a variable using this data types. Okay, data type and variable name is equal to something like numbers. Okay, but in Python the cool feature of Python is just type the variable name. Okay, just name is equal to, I'm writing some characters or some words. I should write it inside double quotes or single quotes and type coding pirates Praveen. Okay, this is the channel name and I'm going to perform a type function. Before that, print type. What is type? If you are typing this name inside it, okay, it will tell, this type function will tell what is the data type of this variable name. Okay, variable named name. Just run it. See class str. Str stands for string. Okay, str stands for string. See, it automatically found that, see, this is a string. Okay, if we remove the double quotes, it will throw out a big error for us. Okay, don't do that, invalid syntax. So be careful on this double quotes and single quotes. Okay, and Next variable, I am going to declare it as age. My age 13. Okay, if I give instead of name, if I give age here, okay, age, what will it give? See, 13 is an integer. Okay, integer means the negative numbers and positive numbers. It doesn't include the decimals. Okay, just the numbers, integral value. Just run it. Yes, here if you see class int stands for integers. Okay, if I give negative, so you might have think age can be negative. No, not definitely. Just for the understanding purpose, minus 13. Yeah, class integer. It is also applicable for the negative integers. And my height, okay, height, or I can give the value as marks. Okay, marks is equal to, no, marks is equal to, it can be also decimals, right? If you have got 99 and a half out of 100, it is also decimal, right? 99.5. Okay, here I am going to type 99.5. Okay, just 99.5, don't write 100. Okay, 100. Okay, marks is equal to 99.5. Just instead of age, float. Simple, and just run it. You'll get the answer as class type. Okay, no, it's not float, it's marks, right? Sorry for that. Marks. Run it, and you will get the output as class float. Float means the floating point data type, that is the decimal values. It is also applicable for negative, also negative numbers also. Yeah, class float. Okay, you can't write the fractions. You can write, but you can write. Okay, you can write, you will get the answer. 1 by 2, class float. Okay, fractions also include in the floating point data type. So you might have, you you can think that, see, in computer, in programming especially, this is not a fraction, right? It's a division problem, right? It's a division problem that we give for the computer. So if I give print marks, okay, print marks, it will not come as 1 by 2, right? Let us check it. It will come as 0.5. Okay, in case of the computer, it is not a fraction, it is a division problem that we are giving. So only we are getting the type as float. Okay, it will convert the 1 by 2 into decimal, that is 0.5, and give the output. So next, there is something called list. Okay, list, let me explain it. Fruits. Okay, let me take it, all the things, um okay, all the things I am just taking it out. So now fruits. Okay, fruits and is equal to, inside square brackets. Okay, square brackets. Okay, and inside double quotes type apple, comma, come come out of the double quotes and type comma, banana, banana. Okay, and fruits, instead of marks, type fruits. Okay, we'll get the output as class list. List means, see, they are the set of characters that are written, or set of values that are written under square brackets, and I am also giving 2. Okay, it's again a list. Okay, this a data type called list, and there is another one called tuple. Okay, okay, there is another thing called tuple. I am typing hello. No, not hello. Again, apple only. apple, goa, and 13. Okay, just running it. Yeah, you will get the answer as class tuple. Okay, tuple means they are the values that are written under parenthesis. So you might have thinking, what is the difference between list and tuple? um except this square brackets and parenthesis. Yeah, I will explain it in the upcoming videos. For just for the introduction part, see this values inside the go fruits tuple, we can't change it. Okay, and in case of list we can change the value after writing a line of code. Okay, if I type fruit dot, okay, okay, here fruits is equal to fruits dot, see fruit dot, okay, you can change it. Okay, fruits, yeah, here using the indexing you can change it using indexing. Okay, okay, here 2 is equal to 14. Okay, I'm doing that, but it will not change because see, tuple object does not support item assignment. That means we can't change, or we can't assign a value to the tuple outside that. Okay, I hope it's clear for all of you, and just take it out. Okay, these things are about data types and variables. Okay, variables are the varying entity, and data types means the type of data. Okay, and after that, um there's another topic called the uh, variables parts. Okay, name is equal to Praveen, that's my name. Here name is the variable name. Okay, name of the variable, just like we have names for ourselves, right? Name for ourselves, there is a name for the variable also. Okay, and after that, this equal to, this is called the assignment operator. I will explain you about operators in the later part of this course. um, as of now, this equal to is called the assignment operator, and this Praveen, this string is called the value of the variable. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. So that's it for this video, and I will meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. So before going outside of this video, do like the video if you have watched until this point, and subscribe to the channel. And if you do not like this video, do dislike it and tell me in the comments why do you not like it, and I will work on my best to resolve it. And if you have any doubts, you can type it in the telegram group or type it in the comments. I will solve it definitely. Okay, so the telegram link is in the description, do join, and I'll meet you in the next video. So until then, keep coding and bye.